Good morning, everyone. Come to page 50, 51, and we will be doing the present perfect tense. Okay? Can you all see me? One of you, can you see me? Last time when we did, the call could not be recorded, so I had to do this again. Now, for present perfect tense, as I told you, it is, children, can you see me? Kids, can you see me? Prachi, can you see me? So we come on to exercise E. Have you had your lunch? Now, have and had in the two blanks. E exercise. Complete the sentences with the present perfect tense from the verbs in the bracket. We have first one, have you had your lunch? Number two, she has not returned yet. Number three, has he brought his violin? Number four, have you ever been to Budapest? Number five, has Anil got up yet? Number six, have you ever eaten aloo paratha at Amrik Sukhdev? Okay, now coming on to F exercise. Underline the correct option. Now here, they want you to see the correct option and tick it. Now, underline the correct option. She's always been a good friend. Always. Number two, I have known him for 6 years now. Number three, we've not shifted from the new flat yet. Number four, have you ever seen a digital book before this? Number five, Anand has never been on a flight. Always, for, yet, ever, never. Then we come on to present perfect continuous. You all can see here. Is the blackboard visible? Please, one of you send an icon of a thumb maybe. Send a thumb icon if you see the blackboard. Do something, please let me know it's not visible.
Yes,
Thank you. Thank you so much. The present perfect continuous. That means I had been eating. This is the one we are dealing with. Okay. So in this, we have a subject. We have had as a perfect tense. Been is the indicative for perfect continuous. And since continuous is added, so you will write ing to any verb which is given. So I had been eating. Now had is telling you about the past. And perfect is it ended in the past at that very moment perfectly with the continuation. Okay? I had been eating. मैं उस समय पर खा रहा था. In the past, when the action was happening, I was eating. You can see the present perfect continuous. I have been eating. Now, have here is the present tense. Been is the keyword which will tell you about the perfect, and eating telling you the continuous tense. Whenever you have continuous written, you have verbs with most of the time ing in them. Okay, you can see the present continuous also. I am eating. Okay, eating is the word which is telling you that it was in a continuous action. So here past perfect continuous when we are talking of will be I had been eating. So with this, we come on to G exercise to make things clear. Make present perfect continuous sentences using given clues. Number one, answer is she has been working here for 5 years. Number two, I have been studying all day. Number three, you have been sleeping a lot recently. Number four, we have been living in Goa for 6 months. Number five, she has been playing kabaddi, so she's tired, has been playing. Number six, they have been learning German for 2 years, have been learning. Number seven, I have been cooking since morning, so I'm really tired. Cooking, have been cooking. Number eight, she has been going to the cinema every weekend for years now. Okay, has been going. It has been raining. The footpath is wet. Has been raining. Number 10, you have been sleeping for 10 hours now. Have been sleeping. Now we come on to the simple past tense. If you see this, it is here. Can you all see the blackboard? Can you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So can you pin me up in the center so that even I can see, because I'm not able to see children. Please do something because I'm not knowing what is happening here in my phone. Okay. So simple future, simple past tense. You will see here. Simple past tense is I ate. Okay. When you write in the past, it is I ate. When you write in the past continuous, it is I was eating. When you write in the past perfect, you write I had eaten. When you write in the past perfect continuous, you write I had been eating. Okay. Let's move on. Simple past tense. Now here you'll have a subject, simple past form of the verb, and rest of the predicate. Okay. Let's do the exercise to make things clear. Make sentences in the simple past using the given clues. Number one, last year we went on holiday to New Zealand. Went is the word which is turned into simple past. In the evening, we went for walks. Went again is the word which is used here. Number three, the weather was fine. Now, was is the indicator, though it was monsoon. Number four, we saw beautiful migratory birds on a lake. And number five, Anjali told me the names of the birds. Is it visible to each one of you? Next, we come on to the past continuous tense. I was eating. This is the one. Okay. Every action was done in the past in a continuous tense. मैं खाना खा रहा था. ठीक है? Let's see. I exercise. Complete the sentences with past continuous tense of the verb in the brackets. Number one, Cindy was cooking for the grand dinner. Number two, Suchita was sleeping last night. Aunt Rita was getting a head massage. Number four, you were going to Chennai that day. Number five, Ollie was roaming at the fair. You see, was cooking, was sleeping, was getting, were going, was roaming. Okay, this is past continuous. Now come to J exercise. Complete the sentences with the simple past or the past continuous tense. That means the first two, the simple past, I ate, and past continuous, I was eating. Let's see it here. Number one, what were you doing when I called you last night. Were you doing is past continuous, called simple past. I was sitting in a cafe when you called. Was sitting, past continuous, called simple past. Number three, when you arrived at the concert, who was you were there? Arrived, past simple past, was simple past. Okay, or you can also put were. If you think there are many people, you can say were. Number four, Shahana was watching a film when she heard the fire alarm. Was watching is past continuous. Heard is simple past. Number five, I went to the book fair. Next, I had a swim. Later, I met Leela for a coffee. Went, had, met, simple past. Number six, we were playing tennis when Gaurav hurt his ankle. Were playing is past continuous. Hurt is simple past. Number seven, what film were they watching at 11 a.m. this morning? It made them really sentimental. Were they watching is past continuous. Made them is simple past. Number eight, he was taking his medicines when the telephone rang. Was taking is past continuous. Rang, simple past. When I walked into the room, everyone was relaxing. Walked, simple past. Was relaxing, past continuous. Is J exercise clear to each one of you? Coming on to the next heading, the past perfect tense. Can you see here? I had eaten. Now here, the action was done in the past and had successfully finished at that very moment. I had eaten, मैंने खाया था. Okay, now this indicates that the action was perfectly finished in the tense about which they were talking. ठीक है? In present perfect, I have eaten. मैंने खा लिया है. That means in the present, the event just in that very moment in the present had ended perfectly. Future, I will have eaten. मैं खा चुका होऊंगा. I will have eaten. So here we are. I had eaten. Okay. So let us take up the K exercise on page 57. Complete the sentences with the past perfect form of the words given in the bracket. Past perfect. That means had होगा उसमें. Eaten का form होगा. Past tense होगा. Okay. Let's begin. Number one. The children had not done. Why we are writing not? Because not is written here. Had not done their homework, so they were in trouble. Number two, they had not eaten all day, so we went to a restaurant. Now here not is written, that is why we have added a negative sentence and made it negative. They had not eaten. Number three, I had not had breakfast when he arrived. Have is written and the past is had. Had not had. Number four, he had not used email before, so I taught him how to use it. Had not used. Number five, you had not studied for the test, so you were very nervous. Had not studied, nahi padha tha. The action ended perfectly. Number six, when I arrived at the cinema, the film had started. Number seven, she had lived in China for a year before she went to live in Thailand. Number eight, after they had eaten the shellfish, they began to feel sick. Had eaten. Number nine, if you had listened to me, you would have got the job. Had listened. Number 10, Julie didn't arrive until after I had left. Clear till here? Now we come on to the past perfect continuous tense. Here, past perfect continuous tense. I had been eating. Just for the present perfect, I told you, I have been eating. मैं खा रहा हूँ. मैं खा रहा था. मैं खा रहा होऊंगा. Okay? So this is the continuous. Now here past is the had word which you are using. Perfect is seen through been and continuous is seen through eating. Ing word is mentioned here. Okay. Let's see this again for your revision. Present is seen through have. Perfect is seen through been and continuous is seen through ing word eating. Or here, future perfect continuous, I will have been eating, will have perfect and future also. Then perfect is been also, continuous is ing word with eating here. I will have been eating. So right now we are here, past perfect continuous, I have been eating. Come to L exercise. Fill in the blanks using the past perfect or the past perfect continuous form of the verbs. That means you will use past perfect, the third one, or you will use past perfect continuous. Either you will use I had eaten, या फिर I had been eating. Okay, let's see. I'm sorry I left without you last evening, but I told you to meet me early because the recital started at 9 p.m. I had been trying, had been trying to get passes for that play for a year. But the time I finally left the library where we were supposed to meet, I had been waiting for over an hour. I had to leave because I had arranged to meet Nipa in front of the theater. Now here, had been trying is past perfect continuous, had been waiting, past perfect continuous, had arranged, past perfect. Number second paragraph, when I arrived at the theater, Nipa had already picked up the passes and she was waiting for us at the entrance. She was really upset because she had been waiting for more than a quarter of an hour. She said she had almost given up and gone into the theater without us. Had already picked is past perfect. Had picked already is added because they are telling you it is done. Had already picked. Then had been waiting, past perfect continuous. Had almost given, almost is written here, that is why it is given, otherwise had given. So it is past perfect. Gone and had gone. Sorry. And had gone is past perfect into the theater without us. Please check it. Had gone. Next, third paragraph. Nipa told me you had been late several times in the past and that she would not make plans with you again in the future. She mentioned that she had missed several plays because of your late arrivals. In the future, I suggest you be on time. Now, had been and had missed are past perfect. Is this much clear to each one? We move on to simple future tense. Let's see this. Now here, simple future tense is I will eat. Okay, मैं खाऊंगा. I will be eating. मैं खा रहा होऊंगा. I will have eaten. मैं खा चुका होऊंगा. I will have been eating. मैं खा रहा होऊंगा. In future, the action will continue. Okay. Coming to simple future. Let's see. Come to M exercise. Use the correct form of the verbs in the brackets to complete the sentences. Now here, any verb is to be filled up because they are saying complete it according to the sentence. Okay. So first one, A, why are you still holding the letter? B, I am going to reply to my friends back home. I am going to is your present continuous. Okay. Number two, I am about to fall asleep. I need to wake up. B, I will get you a cup of black coffee that will wake you up. Will get. Number three, I can't see the television. I will get your glasses. Will get. Number four, we are so excited about our trip next month to Europe. We are going to visit Paris, Paraguay, Berlin, dash, dash, dash. Are going to. Number five, Sujata is coming to the party. Dinesh will be there as well. Is coming, will be. Next, Tarun, it is so hot here. Savita, I will turn the air conditioning on. Will turn. Number seven, I think he is going to be the next Prime Minister of England. Is going to be. Number eight, after I graduate, I will attend medical school and become a doctor. Will attend. Number nine, excuse me, I need to talk to someone about our hotel room. I'm afraid it is simply too small for 4 people. B, that man at the service counter will help you. Will help. Number 10, as soon as the weather clears up, we will walk down to the beach and go swimming. Will walk. Okay. Now coming here to future continuous tense. Now future continuous, you can see here, I will be eating. Okay. This is your future continuous. Now this we will do in our next class. Till then, bye class. Thank you class.